What's going on, y'all? Suave here. Okay, quick intro about this video because it's not normal to the normal. It's not like the normal videos I post, right? The vlogs I try to do and everything like that. Although we are bringing a family channel or the family videos to this channel. Those will be hopefully posted soon as well as this week as also. But this is the part of my channel that I want to introduce, and it's about Forex. Okay, if you're not familiar, foreign exchange market, the buying and selling of currencies, US dollars, Japanese yen, Grand British pound, all these kind of things. And I can go into a video like as far as basics would go, but right now I just want to get into like a quick little setup discussion about a pair that I was looking at last night. So if you're already a beginner or novice or something like that and you just want to look at videos, check this one out, okay? Disclaimer though, I am not Forex guru, I'm not making millions, I still got a 9 to 5, but you know, this is a definite passion of mine, and it's going to lead me to success as far as where I want to be in life. Not having a 9 to 5 no longer, because like I said, right now I still do that during the majority of my time, but right now, this is what I'm doing, my side hustle, and a little bit more things, but, you know, this is what I really want to replace my main income with. So, let's get into this. Let me see here is GBPJPY. We'll go over a little basics here and there, but I just want to kind of brush through this video and just show you a little bit of my knowledge. You know, like I said, I'm nobody big, and nobody to tell you that you're doing your thing wrong. My strategies, how I learned from the mentors that I follow, and just what I'm doing. Maybe you'll resonate with me and be able to kind of also be at that same beginner level, but want to talk to somebody about it. You know, say, hey, I'm barely doing this. Have you done this? Or maybe teach me something. I don't even care. Okay, but like the big heavy hitters, shout out to Mamba because the GOAT. Okay, Daniel Savage, GOAT. Q Banks. I mean, people are calling me Q Banks, freaking J Cash, everything, okay? A lot of different strategies there. You know, if you're interested, let me know. I can send you some of those links. But don't be afraid to just research, check them out. There's a lot of different strategies, like I said. Whatever fits your style, fits your style. Personally, I like the Mamba mentality and the J Cash RSI and the one candlestick. Crazy profitable. So this is kind of right now this is mainly like how Mamba kind of does his thing and my take on it and everything like that, okay? So right now, like I said, GBPJPY and my take on it and everything like that, okay? So right now, like I said, GBPJPY, this is the 4 hour. Every candle is a 4 hour time frame, okay? So right here, it was in an uptrend for the longest time. Lord have mercy, look at that. Formed a double top up here, which if you're a novice like myself, yeah, you'll notice that as well. Right here. And the reason I entered off of this was because it wasn't a small uptrend right here. Just kind of like a pullback, you know, rather than the trend it was already going in. And boom, tested this. Because these red lines are my 4 hour time frame, like major points that were hit, rejected. Okay. Oh god. Sorry, my chart looks a little bit messy. What I like to do personally, I don't know if you do, you can definitely. I would really recommend taking your trades in a demo or in your live, whatever you're doing, and write down what went right, write down what went wrong. If you didn't even take it, if you want to just set it up and see how it plays out, write that down. Marked up, not in, but I want to see how it plays out. You know, it's good for your psychology, for your learning and everything like that. So that's what I do personally. I know you're supposed to like log them in like an Excel sheet, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I saw this red candle. I don't know if you can see that here. This red candle here, so a bear candle, hit the top of my resistance on that 4 hour time frame, and then we went to a smaller time frame because you always want to start big and work your way down as far as time frames go. Look at the big picture, then zoom in. Okay, I went to the 30-minute. I know a lot of, very, very smart. Damn, I don't even know what I was trying to say. That smart traders are like 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, whatever. Personally, 15-minute is good for entries and stuff like that. I have no problem. I've done both. 30-minute though, for my own, preference. I've only been trading since like last November. That's a whole nother story I got to get into in a different video. But this, I just like the 30. So I went into the 30, right? And it was testing a lot of zones that I marked up. These orange lines are for the 30-minute time frame, okay? Boom, huge wick rejection here, wick rejection there, body rejection, another wick rejection, okay? I entered right here at about 5 p.m. on the 22nd, so the other day. And this was my setup. It was a 3-to-1, beautiful, beautiful setup. Like I said, already in a downtrend. My indicators, they did what they wanted. They did what I wanted them to do as far as confluence goes. Confluence meaning, reassurance. Just reassuring me that what I'm looking at, what I'm thinking that's going to happen, is going to play out. And it did. I just set it up incorrectly. So there's that. So I set it up 3-to-1. The thing I did wrong here personally, and I've learned from this literally just from the other day. I want to set my stops at least minimum 25 pips, because right here I got stopped out for 1 pip. 3-to-1 for 1 freaking pip. And the whole thing played out beautifully. This was 84 pips in a profit I would have been in. And I was using a 0.05 lot size. Nothing crazy. And the only reason I did a 20 pip stop loss was mainly because of your account size and everything like that. I'm not rocking with like a $10,000 account I'm building into this big old thing. Right now I'm doing like $100, $150, whatever. But I just wanted to play it safe. Still, I probably could have done a 25 pip stop loss. Yeah, that's totally fine. But now I know for future references, and you can learn from my mistakes. Always try to make sure you're using proper risk management as far as, put a 30 pip stop loss if you want. But if you're using the right risk management, even if it does get stopped out at that 30, it's not going to affect you. Okay? So right here, got stopped out for that 1 pip. But it still played out beautifully. Like I said, downtrend, respected the resistance, came back down, didn't test. Well, it tested here, came back up, came back down, tested again, and then finally broke through that support and just melted. And it's still melting right now in a huge melt, because it was going, like I said, in an uptrend for weeks, it seemed like. And this was 84 pips. It actually surpassed my own expectations, and it went down to a full, if I'm being completely honest here, it went down to a full, 158 pips. That hurt. Off of that, I would have made like $80 and lost a few. Oh my God. Always look for a re-entry. I have to tell myself that now. Always look for a re-entry. I even caught the top of this fall a couple days ago. Boom. Right there. 30-minute, beautiful wick rejections. But anyways, this is like a small setup on the GBPJPY, a pair that I'm really passionate about and I want to get down and really just master. Because if you can master one pair, like the greats say, you can be a god. You can really take your trading to the next level. Because after that, you'll be able to do anything. As far as this, you can make all your money off of just one pair. But I appreciate y'all watching. There's going to be a lot more content as far as these videos go. Like I said, whatever you want to see, basics, the whatever terminology, I'll do it all for you. Just let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you. life update and labor video coming soon. So be on the lookout for those. They're going to be really good. I can't wait to explain to y'all why I just left YouTube all of a sudden and came back. But it's going to be a really, really good new year, successful, and I appreciate it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Peace.